So good morning everyone. Today class we discuss about CBMA and ITI curves. CBMA and ITI curves. So CBMA, that is abbreviated as Computer Business Equipment Manufacturers Association. That is CBEMA. CBMA means Computer Business Equipment Manufacturer Association. So we have to show that one on graph. This is used to monitoring the power quality. That means one of the measurement. Suppose this is from many computer business equipment, that is the sensitive equipment customers, and they form to one association and given as a tolerance, that is what the value can withstand the sensitive equipment they decided. So I can plot the graph on x-axis in time. Time. On y-axis I am taking percentage change in bus voltage. Percentage change in bus voltage. So we can accept this. It can take the one historical data. So minus 100. So minus 50. 0. 50. So 100. 150. 200. 250. 100. 250. So we have two curves, that is CBMA curve and another one is ITI curve. ITI curve replace the CBMA curve. Here this is the acceptable power supply. This one is the acceptable power supply. So this is the case after this one. This is over voltage. After this one is under voltage. So time in seconds. For example, this one is milliseconds. So this is the historical data from mainframe computer operations. So what I can take in from this graph is historical data from because we have sensitive equipments is like that of computers. So this is the shows that one the range of acceptable power supply voltage for the computer equipment. It shows showing the range of acceptable power supply. Acceptable supply voltage for computer equipment. That means this is the range during this limit. So is the percentage change in voltage is 200 and 150, 150 and minus tolerance value. Within these times, this range of voltage can be changed. Within this time, this change of voltage can be acceptable. So from that, here we can see that one before 0.001 0.001 seconds, this range of voltage is acceptable. After 0.1, after 0.1 1 10 100 seconds, this range of voltage is showing the lines. So this is the case under voltage, this is the case over voltage, this is the acceptable voltage. This is the why we can take like means. So that means why we take 0.01 seconds, 0.1 seconds, 1 seconds means this is the historical data. So not is assumable data. So historical data received from the many computers. So CBMA curve describe the tolerance of main computer equipment to magnitude and duration of voltage variations. CBMA curve describes the mainframe computer equipment to magnitude and duration of voltage variations. Voltage variations on power system. So that means the CBMA curve describes what the tolerance value changes it will affect on the computer. So from the power system. So the horizontal axis shows the duration of the sag or swell. Is horizontal. The horizontal axis shows the duration of sag or swell. So sag means reduction in voltage. That means under voltage. Sag means reduction in voltage. Swell means increase in voltage. The horizontal axis is shown that one. The vertical axis shows the percentage of change in voltage. the percentage of change in voltage. In case here we can say that one, the supply voltage within the limits, it's a acceptable power supply. In case the voltage is over, that means within the limit, so here we can say that one, so during this time this voltage is appear on the equipment, though they may catch to over voltage, that over voltage they catch the equipment such as malfunctions such as insulation failure, over voltage, insulation failure, over voltage, and over excitation. So in case the voltage is below that value, so in case the voltage is below that value, so they may catch to under voltage, the voltage is below the under voltage, the load equipment is drop out due to lack of energy. So this is about CBMA curve. So the CBMA curve can again develop the another curve, that is ITI curve. CBMA curve has, that means this organization again develop another curve to monitoring the power quality. Let's develop ITI curve. ITI means Information Technology Industry Council. Information Technology Industry Council. So which is specially applies common from 250 volts to the equipment. It is applied from onwards, means 250 volts. It basically applies to common 250 volts computer equipment. This is also similar to the CBMA curve. So I can also draw likewise. This is 100 volts, this 50, that is a change in voltage, the percentage. The next positive values. So 200, 250 commonly applied from 250. So on x-axis we can take the time in seconds. It is 0.0001, 0.001, so 0.01, so that is 10 multipliers 1 10 100 and 1000. So this is also same how the values are variated. So here also acceptable voltage, that from 250 volts. Here during this time we have plus or minus 10% tolerance. So this is the case for under voltage. This is acceptable power supply. Acceptable power supply. This is rated voltage. Here we can say that one above value, that is over voltage. This is ITI curve. Here time in seconds. So here percentage change in voltage. Percentage change in voltage. 50 volts computer equipment. ITI curve is developed for 250 volts computer equipment. So the curve has been applied to general power quality evaluation. So both curves are defined to withstand the capability of various loads. So that means the curve has been applied to general power quality evaluation procedure. So this is the concept today we discuss about is CBMA curve and ITI curve. Both are the same. So after CBMA curve we can get ITI curve. So withstand the voltage in a simplified manner. So that means here you can say that one is a tolerance value, like that. It's a small modifications in ITI curve. So both these two curves are used to measure the power quality. Here we can take one example, that sensitive equipment. That sensitive equipment is computer based. So we can say that one we have acceptable range and under voltage, over voltage. These are the acceptable range. This is not data we can assume. This is the graphs that can from the historical data. So from computers manufacturings. So this is the acceptable voltage, over voltage, under voltage. Same acceptable rated voltage, but here we have tolerance value is plus or minus 10%. So in case of over voltage we can get the malfunctions of equipment, that is over voltage or trip or etc. In case of under voltage the equipment can be load disappointed due to lack of energy. Within these limits this can be affected. So these both curves are, so we can already say that one power quality evaluation procedure. So power quality evaluation procedure we have say that one evaluate the okay. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts please respond in our group.